In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with affiliate marketing completely for free. This will be my Evergreen method, which will work to help you make commissions day after day, week after week, month after month, and for years to come. If you and I are just meeting, my name is David. I'm passionate in helping you build an online business by documenting my process and also sharing the top tips and tricks I've learned over the last 3 years from my coaches, my mentors, and from my failures that has helped me generate 6 figures. Now, if that's something you're interested in, then please consider subscribing. But without any further ado, let's hop right into how to make money with affiliate marketing for free. So the first thing that everyone's going to tell you that you need to do is to pick a niche, okay? Make sure you pick something that you're interested in, passionate about, or don't mind talking a lot about, because when you're doing free content marketing, you're going to be writing a lot of posts about it, blogs about it, you're going to be answering questions about that niche, or you might even be doing some videos, okay? So make sure you pick something that you don't mind doing a lot for, okay? Because if you just do something that you don't like, you might as well just stick with a job you hate, because as a entrepreneur or a business owner, you have full control of how you make your money and what product to promote. So why do something or choose something that you hate to do, right? So the second thing that you will need to do is product research, and then ultimately deciding on the one product or products that you want to promote, okay? So the two best free places for you to find such products would be clickbank.com if you want to promote a digital product, and Amazon affiliates program if you want to promote a physical product, okay? So with clickbank.com, there are over 1 million different digital products for you to promote. Anything from weight loss programs, courses on how to improve your golf swing, courses that teach you how to invest your money, whether it be day trading, cryptocurrency, whatever your niche is. Okay, there's probably something for you on clickbank.com. So basically what happens when someone opt in to your offer, okay, the product that you're promoting, you earn a commission from ClickBank, okay? And for ClickBank, the commission level starts roughly on average at 50%. With the Amazon affiliates program, you're able to promote millions of different items that are being sold on Amazon. So let's just say you want to get into tech gadget reviews or a tech gadget YouTube channel. So what you would do is pick items that you want to promote, get the unique affiliate link for that product from Amazon, and then at the end of your blogs or end of your YouTube channel in the description, end of your YouTube videos in the description, drop your affiliate link so that at any time when someone clicks your link and just so happen to add to cart, check out, and make a purchase, you earn a commission from Amazon for being someone who referred that person to make a purchase. Okay, you can also most definitely combine digital and physical products. So you can promote a digital product that would require that teaches a skill that would also require physical product if they're really serious about it. So let's just say you're promoting a golfing course or golfing program that's digital. So you can also promote like golf clubs, golf balls, golfing clubs that are sold on Amazon. So you can earn a commission not just from selling a digital product, but also from the physical products that they may end up buying from you as well. So the third thing that you will need to do is to get your affiliate link. Okay, this is really easy to do, whether it be with ClickBank or Amazon affiliates program or a different affiliate network. Doesn't matter. Once you opt in, something will pop up, or you'll be taken to the next page with your own URL, which is usually full of random letters and numbers and really long. I think we've all come to kind of associate long links to basically scams. So what you're going to want to do is basically put that link through a URL shortener to make it look a little better, such as bit.ly, or even better, you want to use something such as ClickMagick, which will let you use your own domain to redirect that link to your affiliate link. So if you use ClickMagick, you can put yourdomain.com/shaker bottle if I'm promoting a shaker bottle on Amazon. So whenever someone clicks that link, yourdomain.com/shaker bottle, they'll be redirected to my affiliate link from Amazon for that specific shaker bottle. Okay, if you're interested in checking out ClickMagick, I have a link in the description for a free trial. You can check it out there. Totally not necessary. If you don't want that, you can just start off with bit.ly absolutely for free. Another great thing about URL shorteners is that it provides you immense data and feedback. Okay, I'm not talking too much about it today, but I do have a free guide in the description for you. Click it. It teaches you everything about click tracking, absolutely free. I don't need your email or anything. It just takes you to the website. Okay, but URL shorteners help with conversion tracking, affiliate sales, teaches you how to optimize your links, and also helps prevent fake clicks, which can be a huge problem once your channel starts to grow. The fourth and most exciting step is to promote your product. Okay, this is where most people fall off the boat because they get everything set up, the blog's up, the channel's up, and then they're now like, damn, no one's looking at my stuff, because they're impatient. Okay, there are three main ways that you can get traffic and to promote your products. And the first one would be content marketing, which is going to be the main thing that I'm going to cover today because it's free. Another way is social media marketing, which can sort of fall under content marketing as well. And then the last way is paid advertising or paid traffic, which I'm not going to talk about in this video at all because that's not free. So content marketing falls under the realm of evergreen content, okay? Basically, these would be blogs, YouTube videos, you answering questions on Quora, on Reddit, and it's evergreen because for as long as people are still searching for this product, this problem, or this topic, your blog posts will still show up in results, okay? Your videos will still show up in YouTube results, and the question that you answered will still be showing up in Google search results, right? Just think about all the times you've Googled a question and then the first couple results is basically just questions of that one topic, other people asking that same question on Reddit, right? And it's dated back to like 2013, 2011, 2010, however far back. So social media marketing, on the other hand, is slightly different because social media usually runs on a feed. What I mean by this is like Facebook and on Instagram, everything you post runs on a feed. Okay, as you scroll down that feed, things start to disappear, and basically after the first hour of you posting something, your content is basically gone or invisible. No one's gonna be able to search and just pull up that one piece of content up, right? Of course, it does work. It's just not as effective for evergreenness or long term, and also requires a lot more time investment than it would for a blog post, where it's one time, set and forget kind of thing. And obviously it's going to take some time before your content gets momentum, before it gets any views, before you even earn any commission. So what you're going to do in the meantime is basically continuously create content for your niche, for your product, which is why I said it's important for you to be interested in what you talk about or passionate about what you're trying to promote. And what that's going to do for you is basically increase your exposure, okay? Because 2 pieces of content is better than 1, 10 is better than 2. And also increase the chances of someone seeing a piece of your content and then clicking your link. Okay. Another thing I really like about content marketing is that because you're creating content that will show up in search engines or on YouTube search, you know that the people who look at your content are actually have an intent to potentially buy. Okay, compared to if you throw an ad or promote something in someone's Instagram feed. They're there to be social. They're there to check out people's photos, like, comment. They're not there to really buy, okay? So it's a little bit harder with social media because you have to convert them, really convert them from being social to a buyer's mindset. Whereas if you're creating content for search engines, you know people are already looking for a solution to the problem. The fifth and final step, guys, is just to be patient, okay? You have to understand that it takes time to build up any account, okay? Even someone who has already made it right now with 100K subscribers took time to build up their account, okay? And you can't compare yourself to them. You have to compare yourself. If you do compare yourself, look at other people who just started maybe 4, 5, 6 months ago, okay? Who has a few hundred subscribers on YouTube, rather than someone even with 10,000, okay? Because even that is too far off for you as well to be looking at. Okay, and really, it's absolutely for free, guys. You don't need to put in any money. The only thing you invest is your time. So it's absolutely something that's good for beginners or anyone who wants to try in earning a extra stream of income. And yeah, there's really not much you can ask for unless you start doing paid ads and paid traffic. So just to wrap it up, guys, there are a limited number of ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, okay? Different products that you can promote. But you really have to think outside the box and kind of adapt to the market that you're trying to sell to, because I can already imagine that some of you are going to say, oh, well, I'm into the a dog training niche and no one's gonna want to buy that product. No, there are ways to promote that product, and there are ways to target people who would be interested in a product like that. If you need help, kind of brainstorming, let me know in the comments what your niche is in, or what you want to try to sell, and I'll see what I can suggest for you to do. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it provided you a lot of value. Okay, today this video is straight value, all knowledge, no fluff. Okay, and I hope to do more videos just like this one. Make sure to leave a big like for this video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel as well for more videos just like this one. All right, see ya.